Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, Untanzi doesn't listen, guys. Like for real. For example, Untanzi, Urati Mchelotu Ngaboenza, my example, I need to remember he made an example in Gorata. What's about? For instance, Rata used to play soccer. Remember, I even said as well, was it? You know how I trusted Rata, guys, or how I believed in Rata when he started 3 years ago, because sasinoma umela thina lo wakwaxosha udefo in court wathi get out of my court, who used to treat uMawumela used to treat udefo like trash. And it turns out uMawumela naye ngathi wayethengiwe, because uMawumela, what happened with him was that he actually bulldozed this case. You know, Mawumela was never asked by any judge president to be sitting there as a judge. He decided enjoying his own ukuthi yena no, he's gonna sit there, you know. But he bulldozed the case. That's how he got out foot. No, uyakhumbula ukuthi uhambe as umuntu who's gonna be going to hearings, and then into zakhe vele zaphelele emoyeni. I don't know what happened to him. Like how Nano Rata also seen stress. I was still telling you ukuthi Untanzi, guys, the way he likes making examples, and they had said he mustn't make examples with people in court. Besides example ngo accused number 3. Athi uyambona ngithi naye une mustache and in business beard. So you guys don't know a goatee, you don't know a beard, you don't know anything. I didn't have a beard, man. Why do you keep on forcing me? Because I had a beard when I didn't. And I keep on telling you, in 2014, I was a boy. I didn't have any beard. You know? It's the same as when Mbaloi was saying that, and they said the person was this tall. And then Untanzi was just like, no. Cool. Actually, even now, I'm still growing. I was just like, I'm done. Untanzi, he talks. I was on it for me. I'm so proud of him. He's done so well, because good trial within a trial. He wasn't so much like this. He was very reserved. He wasn't really saying much. Like, so I was just like, he's just like, I'm fighting for my life. Catch me if you can. He doesn't care. It's just like, this is my story and I'm going to tell it, and I don't give. Like, that's about him right now. How? And then when they're just about to adjourn, Nango Urat. Hey, this brother, guys, he said the same thing in December. He was just like, okay, so we have to adjourn now. We're coming back on the 13th. I'm sorry, guys. That's why I made a mistake. That's why we 9. Guys, when is the 9th is like a Thursday. They're actually coming back on the 13th, right? They're gone for the recess. They're coming back on the 13th. Mark my words, it will be the 6th week. Untanzi uzobe sitting there besambuza ngemustache. Mina ngiyakutshela Baloyi die hard. Baloyi doesn't give up, guys. He doesn't care. He's just wasting our time. He doesn't even give. He's just like, angifuna ukwazi. Ngiyi-13 mina noNtanzi again. Angimazi uyopheka, nizobe hleli ku-study sakho uhleli kumanje. Or he goes to the office, I'm not sure. Because I'm sure Baloyi has his practice. I don't care, whatever. Like, when it comes to Baloyi, I'm just like, I don't even want to know his life. The only thing that I want happening for Baloyi ukuthi aboshwe phela. That's all. They had said they are actually, what should you call it? They are investigating. The prosecutors are just like, Baloyi top 5 phela. What are you even saying? Baloyi top 5. So Urata, when they were just about to adjourn, Uti, I don't know if I'll still be alive on the 13th. You remember, even in December, he said that. It's just like, chances are I'm on my way. Oh, guys, he can just make you feel some type of way. This guy, I just don't know, you know. Hayi, akangabuyi, to be honest with you. Mina ngokwami akangabuyi enze gardening kwakhe. That's all I want for him. I want him to retire. You understand? So I'm a retired judge. I have 55 years experience. And then, this is 55 years experience. So I'm just going to add a few comments. There was a comment on my live. yesterday where I was saying ukuthi uratha guys khona umuntu lokhu uratha kulokuye ecourt kuyokhamisa. I was just like okay uratha kodwa guys angikaze ngibone ikhamisile as such court, but I mean we can say whatever we want guys as South Africans, not this is our country and uSenzomayi umkhaya wami and naye was a South African ngifanele akuthole ubulungiswa at the end of the day. Guys, you know ke from my beautiful subbies, the comments are Ubaloyi, when is he going to stop with the lies? They're just like, why would you come back after Easter? Ngabe uhambile wayoyihlanza izono zakho and ask for forgiveness. But you wanna come back on the 13th and tell us lies somehow. People are just like, okay. And I'm just like, when is the march? Hey, it's not the march. Yo. Just as much as guys, they're at the march here today after the installation of the Igbo king. Hey, put us guys, why you gonna be king at your village? Hey, man, I don't understand. Sometimes this is why my Nigerians in our country, but what's going on? Like it's levity, hey, bo. In another, if it has been called guys, I'm not even talking about that right now. But it said, manje abantu end up imali. It just didn't end well there. Kushiswa imoto ngapha. So many cars were banned at some stage, but they had said 6. I think it's actually more by now. But the police are there to just calm people down. People are angry, guys. Ngeke again in your village. Won't be king in your village, guys, and then come here and want to become a king. How does that even work? Because there's a king there. You know? We couldn't know Ngizwe there. It was hectic there. I was just like, it was hectic. But we need to fight for our things, guys. Because I want to buy a tatela nje. Ngathi kukhona ama-camps ngapha kuMpumalanga. There was another one in Limpopo. Bantu bafuna ukuvukela umbuzi literally in our country. Like, kwenzeka mhlawumbe. I'm just like, here. Abantu. Here. Ngingcono ukuthi mawuhleli ngempela kwi-country yabantu uhlale uthule uvale umlomo wakho and just calm down. Ungenzi izinto ezingekho right. Manje the problem laba abaqabane up from the country leqala ngo-N. They like taking over in any case. Oh, I'm just like, I don't want to be talking about those people. It's contradicting nje Ratha always telling us ukuthi if I'm still alive, you know, just teaching our children go negative. Who even says things like that? A whole judge in a 50 years experience. Hey, guys, this judge. She's on 13, but we're just gonna concentrate on the highlights that have been happening for the past at least 4 weeks, babies non dance. Actually 5, guys. Because when they come back on the 13th, different stands is still sitting on the chair. On the dock again. You must just know what 6 weeks ago. People's comments are just like, you know, there was a comment like that, actually twice maybe. Last week. Because now last week I remember I kept saying Madlo Baba guys, why ain't kaning? He's always telling us about his wife anyways. The fact that please guys whatever happens. Guys, Uban I'm still looking for that person. Because is there anything like that? You just switch things off. You remember the time when they were sitting at the Pekabangan bar, no, they actually here to delete or unalive or guys. It shifted because why no, actually don't they are the nominees involved. I was just like Johnny guys. And then they were actually there to unalive or entourage Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Nindanai. I was like, no, those people, they're just destructive. There's nothing there. Like, all you could say sitting on the Ababoshwe. I was like, when you for being Team State. Hi, Urata guys, gang. Since I was guys until the 13th, almost every day we'll have a video around everything that has happened for the past 3 years and the lies as South Africans is umbedo in the court literally every day. we are just like clapping. We're just like, why? Finally being gaslighted like that. It's South Africans. You know, and then I wanna do that video footy where Urata ebe busy you remember I said on my live yesterday we are going to have a live even next week Sunday the 5th, because my thing is that why would you wanna trash Untanzi like that and then you don't apologize after Mr. told you Untanzi wasn't speaking to you? He was talking about Mohano and Mohola when no busy uti Untanzi called you a scam. I'm like, bruh, eating it. Tanzo abantu futhi is very respectful lo mntana abantu. Uzokubiza baba yonke into kosenkantolo. Uratha ke lo yangithi. Ngirong yini? Oh my lord. But you never said sorry to Ntanzi. You continue to say Ntanzi called you Eskebengu when he didn't. So guys, it's such a all those things that Urati insinuated in that court and they were not noticed, and Urata was not called to order properly. That's hamba when I'm missing my Tanda, you can just and report me and do only Bambisa I don't give. So guys, who even says that sentence? You know, we must take them serious with their 55 years experience, please, guys. Give me lapo, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Tanda over.
Never had this beard. Why nganayo lenche? Empeleni. I cool kuyena. Akakaze abe nayo inhlobo yenchebe engu0 noma engu0. Njengokusho kwakho ukuthi umsolo wesibili wayenayo. Ngaphezulu kwalokho yena ngaso sonke isikhathi wayegcine uhlobo lwenchebe lena ekhula laphansi esithe igothi. Yabona amadevu lawo.
Yeah, ummeli wami uqinisile.
Uthi lena oyibonayo enkantolo ngokukhumbula kwakhe. Yes, my representative was telling the truth.
Ngeke ngasho khona mhlawumbe konke singayihlukane. Singathi mina kunetshebe kunetshetshana. Mina ngangenatshebe.
I mentioned to this court that maybe there's something that we don't differentiate properly. There is a beard, then there is a small beard. I did not have a beard.
Lapho ekhoti kukhulunywa ngetshebe.
Here in court, we're talking about a beard.
Mina ngangenatshebe mina Ntanzi.
I, Ntanzi, did not have a beard.
Yes, but the proposition here is that you've always kept a goatee.
Ya kodwa ke okwasho ummeli wakho ukuthi wena uyayube nale yamadevu. Ala ngaphansi.
Amadeva mina.
Lawo sisho lawo la ngathi embuzi mhlambe yimi engaqhubeka le ukuthiwa igoatee. I'm getting lost with the goatee.
Your version until now was that you only had a mustache, not a beard, and you said it's a mustache that one develops as one grows, but you've maintained that you did not have a beard.
Wena uthe incazelo yakho namhlanje wena bowuna lena mustache kuphela lebonisa ukuthi ke le velayo uma umuntu ekhulu.
Yeah.
Uthi ke kodwa wawungenayo intshebe.
Ngangenayo intshebe. Mangimilite yodwa la iphuma yophondo lephuma la iba yophondo yale ibe kodwa itshebe le.
I did not have a beard. If I grow a single thing or hair right here, the witness is demonstrating underneath. Demonstrate underneath the chin or on the side of the chin, underneath. If one thing, which is a hair, grow here, and another, a single one, isolated, grows here, can you then call it a beard?
And
There sits my co-accused there, Mr. Mngobo, number 3. If you look at him, you will see single patches there. That thing is not a beard.
mina ngubizi ngaceba ngithi itshetshana isaphuma itshetshana.
I do not call that one a beard. I call it small patches. Small beard. It's not a beard.
So God, please, my Lord, we've come to the end of the term. Can the matter then be adjourned?
Until?
Second term starts on the 13th of April, my Lord.
13th of April.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let's say we must adjourn until the 13th of April for the term. Okay.
Kulungile madoda ngihamba ngeenyawo. Bahlile lazo ngihlehlisa. Ngisho bamangale. Kulungile ke madoda icala lihlehliselwa ke umhla zing-13 ku-April kusigaba esizayo senkantolo phecelezi i-term. Okwamanje inkantolo eziphakeme zisaqala ikhefu. Sizobuya ngomhla
So we
ka-13.
shall see each other then, if I'm still alive.
Sizobonana futhi uma ngisaphila madoda. 13 zika-April.